Good morning, friends. Today we will start the revision of chapter number 8, comparing quantities. Okay. In this chapter we learn different methods for comparing two quantity, and first of all I will ask that what do you mean by comparing quantity? Whenever we need to compare two things, we need to use a different method. For example, you need to compare your marks of two semesters. For example, in maths you get in first semester 40 marks and in second semester you get 44 marks. So after comparing, you conclude that you get more marks in the second semester. How many more marks you get in the second semester? That is 4 marks. So this method is called the method of comparing two quantity by division, subtraction. In this chapter we will learn method of comparing quantity by ratio, by percentage, and after that we will learn about the simple interest. So first, what is ratio? What is the definition of ratio? You already learned about the ratio in 6th standard. So ratio is a method of comparing two quantity in form of P by Q, where P and Q are in same unit. So it is method of comparing two quantity by division, or you can say in form of P by Q, where P and Q are in same unit. When units are same, then we can find the ratio of that by division. So for example, we have find ratio of 1 meter to 30 centimeter. Now here one unit is in a meter, other unit is in a centimeter. So here you need to apply some conversion. Which conversion you will apply? Always I say that you need to convert the bigger unit into smaller unit. If you convert 30 centimeter into meter, then you will get the answer in a decimal. What is 30 centimeter into meter? It is 0.30 meter. And then you need to take the division of 1 divide 0.30. It is better to convert meter to centimeter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now this is in a centimeter, this is also in a centimeter. So ratio can be written as 100 by 30. 1 0 will be cancelled. So it is 10 is to, ratio is what? 10 is to 3. You need to cut all common factor. One more example. Find ratio of 2 years to 15 months. Now if this kind of equation convert year into months, so 1 year is equal to 24 months. So 2 years is equal to 48. It is 12 months. So it is 24 months. So ratio will be 24 by 15. Now cut the common factor. 8 3s are 5 3s are 3 3, that is a common factor. So ratio is 8 is to 5. Clear? Next one. 5 kg to 2000 gram. So here convert kg to gram. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. 5 kg is equal to 5000 gram. So the ratio will be 5000 divide 2000. So it is 5 is to. In homework you need to find the ratio of 10 kilometer to 200 meter, 15 centimeter, 5 rupees. You have to solve this 5 example in homework. Now after ratio, we also learn about the percentage. So what is percentage? Percentage is also a method of comparing two quantity. It is a fraction with denominator 100. It is a numerator of fraction. You can say that the definition it is numerator of fraction with denominator 100. What is percentage? It is a numerator of fraction with denominator 100. For example, if we have 25 by 100, then it is written as 25%. If we have 1 by 100, then it is written as 1%. If we have 0.2 divide 100, then it is 0.2%. So here the decimal is given, but the denominator is 100, so it is 0.2%. If we have 9 by 100, then it is 9%. So it is a numerator of fraction with denominator 100. That is what percentage. Now after that, the question may be asked that find the equivalent ratio. So what is equivalent ratio? It is same as equivalent fraction. If it is 12 to 50, you can find the equivalent ratio by multiplying with some number or divide with the same number. Let's divide with 3 because it is divisible by 3. So 4 by 5 is equivalent ratio of 12:4 is equivalent ratio of 12:50. Same, you can get the equivalent ratio by multiplying with 2. So it is 24 by 30. So 24:30 is equivalent ratio of 12:15. So these three ratios are equivalent. Clear? Now conversion of convert fraction to percentage. In MCQ, this kind of question may be asked. Convert fraction to percentage. So if the question is 1 by 3, how can we convert? What is the definition of percentage? Percentage is a fraction, numerator of fraction with denominator 100. So here denominator is not 100, we need to make it 100. So you can write 1 by 3 multiply by 100 divide by 100. Or you can directly write it as 1 by 3 multiply 100%. 100 by 100 is what? 100%. So you can write 100%. Now divide this. You will get 33.3. So your answer is 33.3%. Question 1 by 20. How can we make it 100? 1 by 20 multiplied with 100% is 5. So answer is 5. Next one. 6 by 4. So 6 by 4 multiplied with 100%. So multiply 25 with 6. Now in MCQ blank, question may be asked that if it is a proper fraction, then percentage is always less than 100. If it is proper fraction, then percentage is less than 100. And if it is improper fraction, then percentage is greater than 100. So you need to remember that if the proper fraction, percentage is less than 100. For improper fraction, percentage is greater than 100. This kind of question may be asked for blank or true or false. Now conversion of decimal to percentage. Now we know that we can write the decimal as a fraction and percentage is a numerator of fraction with denominator write this as a fraction. It is 2 by 100. And it is a numerator of fraction with denominator 100. It is 2%. If it is 5.125, so that can be written as 5125 divided by 1000. Convert it into percentage by multiplying with 100%. So it is written as 512.5% because 10 is there in the denominator. Next, .25, so it is written as 15025 divided by 100. So 15025%. If it is 0.1%, 1, then it is 1 by 10. So to convert it, multiply with 100. If denominator is already 100, then no need to multiply with 100. If it is not, then multiply with 100. So here 10 will be cancelled, so it is 10%. Means 0.1 means 10%. Clear? If it is 2.5, then it is written as 25 by 10 multiply with 100. So it is 250%. Clear? Now, convert percentage to fraction and decimal. If we have 0.2%, so percentage means it is a numerator of fraction with denominator 100. So 0.2 can be written as 0 by 10. So it is 0.2 by 100. Now 0.2 means 2 by 10 multiply by 100. So it is 2 by 1000. So it is 0.002 as a decimal. Now convert this as a fraction. So 2 by 1000, 500. So it is 1 by 500 as a fraction. So 0.2% can be written as 0.02 as a decimal and 1 by 500 as a fraction. One more, if we have 0.01% or if it is 1%, so how can we write as a decimal? It is 1 by 100. So as a decimal it is 0.01 and as a fraction it is 1 by 100. Clear? Now next one. If we have a 50%, so as a fraction can be written as 50 by 100. You can cut the common factor. So as a decimal it is 0.5 and as a fraction 5 by 10, so it is 1 by 2. So this way we can convert the decimal to fraction or decimal. Now, sometimes statements are given and you need to find the percentage. So, your question is what? Out of total 50 students, 25 are girls. What percentage of girls and what percentage this kind of question again can be asked for MCQ. So your total students are 50. From that 25 are girls. So here we can write as a fraction. From total 50, 25 are girls. So it is 1 by 2 girls. So convert this into percentage. 1 by 2 multiply 100%. It is 50% girls and 50% boys. Question is next. Out of 150 fruits, 50 are mangoes, 70 are bananas and 30 are oranges. So from 150, 50 are mangoes, 70 are bananas and 30 are oranges. So here we can write fraction of, first we will find the fraction of mangoes. So that is from 150, 50 are mangoes. So that is 1 by 3 and 1 by 3 as a percentage we need to multiply with 100%. So it is 33.3%. Now fraction of bananas. So it is 70 by 150. So here as a fraction it is 7 by 15. To find the percentage, 7 by 15 multiplied with 100. So it is 700 by 15. Divide 700 with 15. So it is 46.6%. And next, fraction of oranges. So that is from 150, 30 are oranges. So here we can write 1 by 5. So percentage will be 1 by 5 multiplied with 100 is 20%. Okay, so this way you can find the percentage of given number. First of all, you need to find the fraction and then convert fraction into percentage. Now, sometimes figure is given and you need to find the percentage. So, question may be asked to find the shaded part into percentage. Let's take one example. Here one circle is given and from that one part is shaded. How can we represent it as a percentage? Now we know how to represent it as a fraction. So it is 1 by 4. How can we convert it into percentage? Multiply by 100. So it is 25%, means 25% is shaded. One more example. And from that, 4 parts is shaded. So how many total parts are there? Here 16 parts are there. So as a fraction it is written as from 16, 4 parts is shaded. 4 fours are 100%. So it is again 25%. Okay, so this way you can find the figure into percentage. Now, here's a homework example that you need to solve. Convert into fraction and decimal. Percentage is given 2%, 5.1%, 0.5%, 2.1%. Convert into percentage. Now here decimal is given and fraction is given. 6, 0.01, 21.5, 16.7, 7 by 15, 2 by 15. So this example you need to solve it.